Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative garden hoses on the market, the TheFitLife Flexible Metal Garden Hose. This isn't just any hose. It's designed to revolutionize your gardening and cleaning experiences with its durability and functionality. The TheFitLife hose is crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, ensuring it's built to last without the common issues of traditional hoses like kinks or leaks. It boasts solid fittings and a sprayer nozzle that offers 8 versatile patterns. From gentle mist to high-pressure jet, catering to all your watering and cleaning needs. This hose is designed not only to withstand punctures and corrosion but also to maintain its shape and full water pressure without kinking or tangling. Whether you're watering delicate plants with a gentle mist or power washing your driveway with a strong jet, the TheFitLife hose adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its ability to connect multiple hoses means you can customize its length to suit your specific requirements without sacrificing water pressure. Say goodbye to yearly hose replacements. The TheFitLife hose is designed for long-term use with minimal maintenance. Easy to store and transport, it's compatible with hose hangers, holders, or reels, making it a practical choice for any household. In conclusion, the TheFitLife Flexible Metal Garden Hose stands out as a premium choice for anyone looking to upgrade their watering and cleaning equipment. Its combination of durability, flexibility, and functionality makes it a must-have for every homeowner and gardening enthusiast. That wraps up our review of the TheFitLife Flexible Metal Garden Hose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.